Thinking about retiring in comfort, community, and sunshine? Central Florida is booming, not just with great weather, but with a new wave of 55-plus manufactured home communities. These aren't the mobile homes of the past. Today's manufactured homes are modern, efficient, and affordable. Plus, they're designed with retirees in mind. Stylish layouts, energy-efficient features, and updated finishes make these homes both practical and inviting. And with lower price points than traditional homes, they're a smart choice for anyone living on a fixed income. But it's not just about the house, it's the lifestyle. These 55-plus communities offer resort-style amenities like pools, clubhouses, fitness centers, walking trails, and hobby groups. Plus, services like lawn care and trash pickup make life even easier. The real magic? A built-in sense of connection. These neighborhoods bring together people in the same chapter of life, creating community, friendship, and a real sense of home. And with convenient locations close to everyday essentials and Florida's natural beauty, it's easy to see why demand is soaring. Are you a developer or builder looking to start your own 55-plus community? Contact Factory Expo Wholesale Division today and discover how you can bring this vision to life, one home at a time.